Welcome to our JavaScript tutorial series. In this video, we'll introduce you to the basics of JavaScript and its importance in web development. JavaScript is a powerful language that allows you to create interactive web pages and web applications. JavaScript has come a long way since its inception and has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. JavaScript is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications, from web development to mobile app development and game development. There are many JavaScript frameworks and libraries that can help you build web applications more efficiently. Learning JavaScript can open up many opportunities for you in the world of web development and beyond. JavaScript's syntax is relatively simple and easy to learn. Let's take a look at a basic example. In JavaScript, variables are used to store values. We can declare variables using the let, const, or var keywords. JavaScript has several data types that you should be familiar with. JavaScript is a crucial part of web development, allowing you to create interactive and dynamic web pages. There are many tools and resources available to help you learn and work with JavaScript. JavaScript is used in a wide range of applications, from web and mobile apps to games. Learning JavaScript can lead to many career opportunities in the field of web development. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into JavaScript basics and start writing our first JavaScript code. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.